What is this? Raspberry. There's only one man who would dare give me the raspberry. Lone Star. All right, so here for our ingredients, we've got 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of cold butter, 1/2 cup of raspberry preserves, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of finely chopped walnuts. All right, so first off, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna take that 1 1/4 cups of flour and the sugar and mix those together in a small bowl, and then cut in the butter until it looks like sand, so it's in little crumbly pieces. And then we're gonna press that into the bottom of a greased 9-inch cake pan, and then we're gonna bake that for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until the edges start to brown. All right, so I'll just do this little angle right here since this is gonna be really quick. So, add in the flour and the sugar. And we'll give that a quick little stir here. Oops. Okay, and then I'll add in the butter. Boop. And then I'll use this little biscuit cutter to cut in the butter. If you don't have one of these, just use a fork. It'll work fine. And I forgot a rubber spatula, but my hands are already dirty, so whatever. We'll just do it by hand. Okay. I'm gonna really mash this in here. Okay, and then we'll throw that in the oven for a little bit. Okay, so while that crust is cooking, we'll make the topping. So we're gonna combine the brown sugar, the eggs, and the vanilla in a small bowl, stir those together, and then combine that 2 tablespoons of flour and the baking soda, and then pour that into that filling, stir that just until it's combined, and then fold in the walnuts. And then once the crust comes out of the oven, we're gonna spoon the jam over it immediately, spread it out, and then we'll spoon the topping over that and spread it out, and then throw it back in the oven for about another 17 to 20 minutes and cook it just until it's a nice golden brown. And then we're done. Okay, so I'll start off and stir together the brown sugar, the vanilla, and the eggs. Yep. No. Got it. Yep. Add our little itty bitty bit of baking soda to the flour here. Oop. And we'll throw that in here and stir it up. Again, just until it's all combined, so that's good right there. And then I will fold in our walnuts. Okay, and then we'll continue over at the oven. All right, literally pulling this out of the oven right now. There we go. Okay. Move that over a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then again, immediately put the jam over the top of it. These are actually preserves, if you're wondering why this isn't spreading out very evenly, and the recipe does say jam, but I switched it out for preserves because I wanted a little more thickness to it, even though it doesn't work very well for this part. And then just evenly spoon out our topping. Try and get some of the more liquidy bits not like gathered up in one area. Okay, and throw it right back in the oven. Whoop. Yep. I almost dropped my paw holder, but I caught it. Okay. Whoop. That was close. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, there we go. Well, this already looks amazing, but it'll look even better once you cut it apart and be able to try it. But wait until it's fully cooled before you do that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're gonna be making some little gingerbread whoopie pies. It'll be really cool. It'll be a lot of work, but it'll be really fun. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.